Bay window installation is a popular choice for homeowners looking to enhance their living space with natural light and aesthetic appeal. In Knoxville, bay window replacement services offer a variety of custom bay windows Knoxville designed to fit any home style. With energy-efficient windows Knoxville, residents can enjoy reduced energy bills and increased comfort throughout the year while benefiting from the timeless charm of bay windows Knoxville. Window glass replacement is essential for maintaining the clarity and functionality of your windows. Knoxville window pane replacement services ensure that your windows are in top condition, providing both beauty and efficiency. For those seeking energy-efficient windows Knoxville, our experts offer a range of options to suit your needs, including custom bay windows Knoxville that combine energy savings with visual elegance. Custom window designs allow homeowners to express their personal style while improving their home's curb appeal. Our window design consultation Knoxville services help you choose the perfect windows for your home, whether you're interested in double-hung windows Knoxville or unique custom bay windows Knoxville. Incorporating bay windows Knoxville into your design adds dimension and sophistication to any living space. Window frame installation is crucial for maintaining the structural integrity of your windows. Knoxville window frame installation services address issues such as rot, warping, and damage, ensuring your windows remain secure and functional. Our team also specializes in window seal installation Knoxville, preventing drafts and improving energy efficiency. Pairing these services with bay windows Knoxville enhances both durability and design appeal. Double-hung windows are a classic choice for many homes, offering versatility and ease of use. Double-hung windows Knoxville services provide expert installation and maintenance, ensuring your windows operate smoothly and efficiently. For added comfort, consider window insulation services to keep your home cozy year-round and complement them with elegant bay windows Knoxville for extra light and space. Vinyl window replacement is a cost-effective solution for updating your home's windows. Vinyl window replacement Knoxville services offer durable, low-maintenance options that enhance your home's appearance and energy efficiency. Our experts can guide you through the selection process to find the perfect fit for your home, including beautiful bay windows Knoxville that add depth and style to your interiors. Window insulation services are essential for maintaining a comfortable indoor environment. Knoxville window insulation services help reduce energy costs and improve your home's overall efficiency. Our team can assess your current windows and recommend the best insulation solutions for your needs. Installing bay windows Knoxville with proper insulation maximizes both comfort and efficiency. Window hardware upgrade services in Knoxville provide homeowners with the latest in window technology and security. From improved locking mechanisms to stylish handles, our experts can enhance both the functionality and appearance of your windows. Consider a window hardware upgrade to increase your home's safety and value while ensuring your bay windows Knoxville operate smoothly and securely. Window sash replacement is necessary when the existing sash is damaged or worn. Knoxville window sash replacement services ensure your windows operate smoothly and maintain their aesthetic appeal. Our team can replace sashes on a variety of window styles, including double-hung and custom bay windows Knoxville, ensuring your home retains its beauty and functionality. Window weatherproofing is vital for protecting your home from the elements. Knoxville window weatherproofing services seal gaps and cracks, preventing drafts and moisture intrusion. Our experts use high-quality materials to ensure your windows remain weather-tight and energy-efficient. Pair these services with bay windows Knoxville for enhanced protection and performance. Window pane replacement is a common service for addressing broken or damaged glass. Knoxville window pane replacement services provide quick and efficient solutions to restore your window's appearance and functionality. Our team can handle a variety of glass types and sizes to meet your needs. We also specialize in installing bay windows Knoxville that bring elegance and natural light to your living areas. Looking for top-notch window maintenance services in Knoxville? Our expert team specializes in window frame installation, window seal installation, and window leak installation to ensure your windows are in perfect condition. We offer comprehensive window maintenance Knoxville services to keep your windows functioning efficiently and looking great. Regular care of bay windows Knoxville ensures lasting beauty and performance. Upgrade your home with energy-efficient windows Knoxville. Our selection of energy-efficient windows helps reduce energy costs while enhancing the comfort of your home. We provide window insulation services and window weatherproofing to maximize energy savings and improve your home's overall efficiency. Enhance these benefits with stylish bay windows Knoxville to increase natural light and curb appeal. Transform your home with custom bay windows Knoxville. Our custom window designs offer a unique touch to any room, providing both aesthetic appeal and functionality. We offer window style consultation and window design consultation Knoxville to help you choose the perfect windows for your home. Bay windows Knoxville remain one of the most beautiful and practical choices for modern homes. Ensure your windows are safe and secure with our window safety features and window hardware upgrade services. Our Knoxville window hardware upgrade services include window sash replacement and window screen replacement to enhance the security and functionality of your windows. With our expert installations, bay windows Knoxville can be both elegant and secure additions to your home. Need window glass replacement or window pane replacement Knoxville? Our expert team provides efficient and reliable window glazing services to restore the clarity and beauty of your windows. We also offer window tinting Knoxville options for added privacy and UV protection. Complement these upgrades with bay windows Knoxville to brighten and beautify your living spaces. For those in need of vinyl window replacement Knoxville, our team offers high-quality vinyl window replacement services. Vinyl windows are durable, low maintenance, and energy efficient, making them a popular choice for homeowners in Knoxville. Combine vinyl windows with bay windows Knoxville for a striking and efficient window setup that enhances every room. Our window installation warranty Knoxville ensures peace of mind with every installation. We provide professional window measurement services to guarantee a perfect fit and flawless installation. Trust our experienced team for all your window installation needs in Knoxville. Whether installing single pane or bay windows Knoxville, we stand behind the quality of our craftsmanship. Enhance the look of your windows with our window trim installation and window caulking services. Our Knoxville window trim installation services ensure your windows are properly sealed and aesthetically pleasing. We also offer window caulking Knoxville to prevent drafts and improve energy efficiency. Combining these with bay windows Knoxville elevates both appearance and performance. Double-hung windows Knoxville are a classic choice for any home. Our selection of double-hung windows offers versatility and ease of use, making them a popular option for residential window services Knoxville. We provide expert installation and maintenance for double-hung windows, and our bay windows Knoxville options add extra space and architectural beauty to your design. Bay window installation is a great way to add space and light to your home. Our bay window replacement Knoxville services offer a variety of styles and designs to suit your needs. Trust our team for professional bay window installation and replacement in Knoxville. When you choose bay windows Knoxville, you choose timeless elegance, functionality, and value for your home.